Yung ganitong kita mo, ang tawag dyan, beginner charting. Kasi nga, hindi niya pa alam kung paano mag-naked chart sa malaking chart mismo. Wala siyang proseso. And the problem on these types of traders, kapag ganyan ang tingin mo, it creates a mentality of false positive. Ibig sabihin, false bull. Ang akala mo, uy, bull run na ulit kasi multiple candles. Ano? Imaginein mo, Coach Miranda. Lumipad na tayo almost 8%. Positive bull run na ito. Ganyan ang galawan agad. Ganyan. Sabi ni Trader Spencer, looking at candles not the trend at naka-zoom in, sabi ni Leroy. All of you are correct. The problem here is that you fail to recognize resistances kasi you don't zoom out. And whenever you fail to recognize resistances, you also fail to recognize, anyone can make a wild guess, you fail to recognize what? Fail to recognize letter S. Anyone can make a wild guess? You fail to recognize structures. And this is an important element of trading. This is an important element of trading because if you don't recognize the structure, ang false assumption mo agad, bull. When in fact, yung other traders, ito ang pananaw nila. Okay. Bukod pa dito, meron pang isang level ng pananaw. Meron pang isang level ng pananaw yan. May mga traders naman, talagang ganito na ang galawan. Ganito naman ang pananaw ng ibang traders. Boom. Ganyan ang pananaw nila. So, if you are not able to recognize the big picture, look at the difference. This is the same chart altogether. This is your first chart. This is your second chart.